everyone. I hope you must be stay safe and stay healthy. So no further delay, let's begin. Our today's topic is what do catfish eat? The answer might amaze you. Catfish are scavengers found in fresh water. These fish live at the bottom of water bodies and possess very strong sensory organs. This animal sec post tells you about what food do the catfish eat. Interesting fact. Catfish stay mostly near the bed of any water body and feed at night time. Hence, they are also called bottom feeders. Catfish is a type of fish with big eyes embossed on a flat head. It has an overbite and antenna shaped barbels near its mouth, which is used for catching prey. Most of them are time serving in nature. This impulse that when it comes to food, they take advantage of any opportunity that comes their way. Its main types include flathead, channel, and bullhead catfish. Few species of this type are omnivorous. They feed on animals as well as plants. Catfish are very strong predators and can hunt for food at any level of the water body, be it deep in the water body or on its surface. Their well developed gustatory organs help them detect odors. These organs are called whiskers. They make it easy for these fish to find their prey in regions with very little visibility. As we know, very little sunlight reaches the bottom of the water bodies. This reduces the visibility for most fish, which works to their advantages as they can fetch their prey easily. Catfish can eat carrion such as dead microbes, etc. The other food that they eat are mallard, mosquito larvae, clams, snails, bullfrogs, berries, legumes, alga, meadow vole, and aquatic plants. Young catfish are moderately small in size and easy to raise. They are reared as pets and they are put up in fish aquariums. Young fish usually eat invertebrates, while in captivity or in a tank, their feed can be crocodiles, trout, and shellfish such as prawns, mussel, or ready-made foods such as flake foods, snaking petals containing protein, or gangular food. What bait do catfish eat? Anglers or fishermen catch catfish with the help of baits having a strong odor. Because these fish are most attracted to strong smells, they can hardly resist odor. Fishermen thus make a habit bite using dough balls, organs of chicken or other animals, or food which is odorous. Catfish smell the odor and cling to these baits. Besides this, other odorous substances such as uncooked bacon, crapid, rotten cheese, crayfish, bulgur, hot dogs, worm, crab, crayfish, chunks of shellfish, bite dulp coupled with cheeses are used as a bite to catch fish. Among these, night crawls such as earthworm or red worm make for a very good idea for this fish. In the fall season, catfish mainly feed on frogs and other amphibians. Facts about catfish. Sunlight always penetrates and topmost regions of any water body. Catfish usually live in the dark regions. However, during the winter season when it gets extremely cold, these fish move to the zone of the water body which has gone thermal conditions. Some species of the fish, such as cannel, are one of the most consumed fish found in freshwater bodies such as lakes, creeks, and rivers of the US. This fish usually mates in late spring. On mating, the male protects the eggs from other aquatic species. However, sometimes the male consumes some of these eggs. Points of to remember. If you have a pet catfish, make sure you feed only limited or required amount of food. If the food remains uneaten, it can rot and infect the tank or aquarium. Catfish are very active during the evening or at night. This is the best time to feed them. Related posts. What do fish eat? The answer will leave you stumped. A great diversity is observed in the diet of fish depending the